CPX is the entry-level LED panel from Lithonia Lighting. This video will show how the lightweight CPX installs in a recessed T-grid ceiling. If you would like to suspend your CPX, please view the spec sheet and installation instructions. Prior to installation, please review the instruction sheet for important safety information and step-by-step assistance. Installation is easy and requires minimal tools. You'll need a screwdriver, wire strippers, safety glasses, and gloves. Wire nuts are included with your CPX panel. Before you begin the installation process, it is important to remember that when working with electrical components, you should make sure to turn off the power at the main breaker and take the proper safety precautions. Once the power is off, place the CPX panel into the grid ceiling. The second step is to remove or push aside the ceiling tile adjacent to the CPX driver box, which is located on the side of the fixture. This will make wiring the fixture easier. Next, you'll begin accessing the fixture from inside the plenum. This is the space between the ceiling tiles and the actual ceiling. To secure the fixture into the T-grid ceiling, bend each integrated T-grid clip away from the fixture housing and secure onto the T-grid railing. Use your screwdriver to remove the screw securing the driver access plate so you can access the wiring components inside. Punch out one of the knockout holes in the access plate. You'll need this space to pull your incoming power wire through to connect with the fixture wires. Once the knockout is removed, you're ready to make all connections per local NEC code requirements. Each CPX panel comes standard with purple and gray wires. These are low voltage wires for 0 to 10 volt dimming purposes. If you do not need this dimming feature, simply cap off the purple and gray wires with included orange wire nuts and tuck back into the driver box. Next, you'll be connecting the power wires to the wires in your CPX driver box per local NEC code requirements. Connect white to white with an orange wire nut. Repeat for black to black and green to green. Tuck all wires back into the driver box. Replace the access plate and replace the screw to secure the access plate. Restore power. Your CPX panel has been successfully installed. Please feel free to visit www.lithonia.com to reference the CPX instruction sheet for detailed dimensions and step-by-step assistance.